And welcome to the Jungle Tool YouTube channel. Now we have a problem to solve together. That is, you have a Twitter account, and how can you scan or retrieve the list of people who have followed that Twitter account? For example, let's take Barack Obama. Like if you want to scan the people who follow Barack Obama or the people whom Barack Obama is following, and you want to create a tool to help you do that, how would you go about it? In this video, Jungle Tool will show you exactly how. First, you just need to copy the link to Barack Obama's personal page. After that, you'll return to the MKT X software. When you open the software, its main interface will look like this. And notice that on the left side of the screen, you'll see the software's features that you can use. Here, you'll select the feature called Scan Follower Data for Jungle Tool. Once you've selected this feature, there will be a place for you to enter the profile ID. You just need to enter it here, or you can also enter the link. Or to be more specific, you can copy the username, so you'll copy Barack Obama's username and paste it here, then save it, and that's it. Here, it will ask you whether you want to scan followers or following. For example, if you want to scan the following, you would enter 1 here like this. Then you choose how many accounts that follow Barack Obama's account you want to scan. For example, you can enter 100. After that, you need to take one more step, which is to select the Twitter accounts available in the software. Only then can we scan the information and data of the accounts we want to extract, right? So you will click on the select category section. You will choose your Twitter accounts, and you only need to select one account to scan. We don't need too many accounts for you to extract data from. Click the start button, and at this point, the software will begin working to scan and retrieve the data for you. The returned data can be exported to an Excel file for you to utilize, and it will definitely include usernames to serve your purposes, such as sending messages, posting spam comments, or if you want to paste links into their profiles to drive engagement. You can do all of this completely automatically using the automated features below. That's it. But here, it will give you the username, so go ahead and do it. This software is very comprehensive and will definitely support you very well throughout your work on the Twitter platform. And Jungle Tool is making this video series with the goal of helping you use it as effectively as possible. You can also install the software yourself and just contact Jungle Tool so they can unlock it for you to try out for 24 hours. You only need to pay for the license after you've determined whether the software is effective or not. And please contact Jungle Tool via Telegram or WhatsApp on the screen to get support from Jungle Tool. Now let's return to the software. As you can see, the software has now started scanning and displaying data of people who have already followed the Barack Obama account. It's really this simple, isn't it? Wishing you success, and see you again in the next videos on the Jungle Tool YouTube channel.